Okay, YouTubers, I hope you can see me. We're going to do a X-Pipe installation on a 2019 GT Premium. First thing, this is a Ford racing one. There's multiple ones you can buy. What I don't like about this, number one, is it is from 2015. Because some of the stuff on 2015 and 2019, 2018, whatever, they're different. So after careful consideration in about an hour and looking at the way the X-Pipe is designed and the way it goes on and the way the exhaust is, I decided to do halfway what the instruction says. So this is our X-Pipe, and you can see this is the front part toward the engine. That's the back part in the back, and you'll see it's slightly curved. So you just have to line it up. The first thing is this car has active exhaust. So I want to take a little trip. I've done quite a bit of work already. So this is the exhaust. I've taken it off already. The best thing is to take the exhaust off. I don't have a lift at this house, and I have active exhaust. As you can see, there's the electronics or modules or whatever the heck they are. And this is the suitcase we're going to be removing. You see I've already taped it off. But I want to say the best way is to take the exhaust off, as the instruction states, because you can get a straight, clean cut. So as you can see, I got the car up on jack stands. It's up there, not too high. I get on there with no problem. And the exhaust has to come out. I put it out to the back, and the jack assisted me to pull it down. There's about 6 nuts to take off, 2 hangers here, and there's 2 hangers here. These are the 2 hangers that are on the frame here, that you got 1 bolt and 1 bolt here, and then here you'll have another bolt bolted to here and there, which are still sitting up here, as you can see. So those have to come down, and then I would unclip everything if I were you, and then you have to unbolt it from the electronics if you support it from the jack. And I taped it off. I'm gonna cut it, and then we're gonna get that we'll call suitcase, muffler, airbox, whatever it's called, out of there. And I don't know why Ford just didn't put an X-Pipe in these cars to begin with. I think they just want to sell more parts. You know, you want to run around with that thing there, fine. If you don't, you can put an X-Pipe like me. I got an X-Pipe on that car and my Fox body over there. So I decided to put one here. I don't know if I'll gain more performance, a little louder from what I see on videos on YouTube, but I wanted to get you up to date. So jack the car up, do what it says, pull the exhaust off, put it out the back of the car, mark off your 4 inches. You got to go 4 inches. 4 inches, pile, 4 inches. From here to here, 4 inches. Make your cuts nice and straight, file them down, and then I'm going to cut back in here in just a few minutes after I cut it, and we're going to install the X-Pipe. And then you know, that's another thing, the instructions on there isn't that great, man. They don't get into much detail. Ford's instructions are kind of sorry, but they do say to pull the exhaust down. Best way to get is to cut it out of the car. You don't want to damage anything underneath your car. You want to get a nice straight cut when you do it. But anyway, that's my quick video on the X-Pipe, and I'll be cutting back in here in a minute, okay? All right.